Prom proposal gone wrong. Hey, I'm Joe Brown with Accident Law Group. Okay, this is an example of someone who's making a prank not so funny. And clearly a lot of people involved. Now the issue is, who is liable for this? Obviously the officer knows what's going on. The officer's allowing this to happen on property. The officer's gonna say, well, I didn't expect he's gonna run through a stop sign this fast. You clearly hear him say that. I didn't expect that he would hit somebody. We would expect him to stop and avoid this. School knows about it, school's allowing it. They're allowing him to do a behavior that is inherently dangerous, running through a stop sign. I think there's some liability and culpability on all parties. Obviously, he should have recognized that there was a motorcycle coming and either delayed his stunt until everything was clear, or stopped for the motorcyclist and unfortunately ruin his prank. Instead, he had a vision and he was not going to go past that vision. He was going to do everything in his prank to get this proposal. Well, this kid's hurt. This kid's got possibly life-changing injuries as a result of that prank. This is definitely a very serious issue, a very serious claim. And if I were his attorney, we would be suing all parties in this. The officer involved, the police department related to it, the school district, as well as the driver and the owner of the vehicle, who has a 17-year-old driving a Porsche. Obviously, that may be too much power for this individual to be driving. So something like this happens, you need to seek representation immediately. And the reason is, in the state of Arizona, you have 180 days to make that claim against the school district and the police officer. You don't make that claim within 180 days, you lose that claim. This claim happens in New Mexico, you have 90 days to make that claim against the police department and the school district. So very short windows when your normal lawsuit for a personal injury may be 2 or 3 years. So hire an attorney, get an attorney involved immediately, because they need to preserve the evidence. They need to make their notice of claim. That's the claim they need to do within that short period of time, and do it appropriately and serve it upon all necessary parties, or you could lose those claims and you could not be able to recover from this. So you're in an accident, give us a call or find us on the web at accidentlawgroup.com.